A lot of people think that making pizza dough is difficult, and they're correct. So take a flour tortilla, fantasize about working in a pizzeria and throw it around a little bit. Take your whiskey bottle and infuse the dough with the essence of whiskey and the hardness of glass. Take a pan and some foil, spray it for bed bugs, throw in the tortilla, and go ahead and hammer that with a high velocity pizza sauce smiley face. Take some cheese, get that all shredded. Throw in some fried pepperoni, chopped hot banana pepper rings, sun-dried tomatoes. Take some whiskey and give it a quick blessing. Roll it up tight. Take a stick and use those to hold it together. Onions on 350, and we'll throw it in the bowl. Take your shot of whiskey and pour it directly on the plate. Come to the realization that will just make your Rollito soggy. And slide your Rollito onto the plate. And there you have it, a bastardization of pizza that is sure to offend pizza baristas everywhere. And don't forget to enjoy the whiskey.
You suck at cooking, yeah, you totally suck.